Have you ever stopped to think about your body's amazing ability to fight off infections and keep you healthy? This powerful defense system, working tirelessly behind the scenes, is your immune system. It's your own personal army, always on alert, ready to protect you from a constant barrage of harmful invaders. Imagine it as a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs working together in perfect harmony to keep you healthy. Just like any army, your immune system needs the right resources and support to function at its best. While there are many external factors that can impact our immunity, the good news is that we have significant control over how well it works. In this video, we're going to take a journey to discover the fascinating world of the immune system. We'll explore practical and natural ways to strengthen this incredible defense system, allowing you to take charge of your health and well-being. Start your journey to a stronger immune system today. Subscribe and follow for more tips. Imagine your immune system as a well-coordinated army, with specialized units that each play a vital role in defending your body. White blood cells, those brave soldiers on the front lines, are a crucial element. These remarkable cells patrol your bloodstream and tissues, always on the lookout for foreign invaders like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. When a threat is detected, your immune system springs into action. White blood cells work together to identify and neutralize invaders, preventing them from causing harm. Some white blood cells, called lymphocytes, even have a memory. This means they can remember past infections and mount a faster and more effective response if you encounter the same threat again. Your lymphatic system, a network of vessels and organs, also plays a crucial role in immunity. The lymphatic system acts as a drainage system, removing waste and toxins from your body and transporting immune cells to where they're needed most. Although your immune system is incredibly resilient, certain factors can weaken its defenses, making you more vulnerable to illness. These factors can be sneaky and often overlooked in our daily lives. One of the main culprits is chronic stress. Constant stress can have devastating effects on your overall health. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces hormones like cortisol, which can suppress immune function over time. This can lead to increased susceptibility to infections and diseases. Your diet also plays an essential role in immune health. A balanced and nutrient-rich diet is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. A diet lacking in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can deprive your immune system of the building blocks it needs to function optimally. Nutritional deficiencies can weaken your natural defenses. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can all contribute to inflammation, further weakening your defenses. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy of your health. Lack of sleep is another silent saboteur. Quality sleep is essential for the regeneration and repair of your body. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces fewer infection-fighting cells, making you more susceptible to illness. Insufficient sleep can also affect your mood and energy levels. Similarly, a sedentary lifestyle can weaken your immune system. Physical inactivity can lead to poor circulation and a buildup of toxins. Regular exercise, on the other hand, improves circulation, helps flush out toxins, and strengthens your body's defenses. Adopting an active lifestyle is one of the best ways to support your immune system. The good news is that you have the power to strengthen your immune system naturally. By adopting healthy habits and making wise choices, you can provide your body with the tools it needs to thrive. Fueling your immune system. A nutritional roadmap. Your diet is the foundation of a strong immune system. By eating a variety of healthy foods, you can strengthen your natural defenses and improve your overall well-being. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your meals and snacks, you can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to function optimally. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are fantastic sources of essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C, this powerful antioxidant, helps protect your cells from damage and supports the production of white blood cells. It's crucial for maintaining healthy skin and promoting wound healing. Citrus fruits, berries, kiwis, and bell peppers are excellent sources. These foods are not only delicious but also easy to incorporate into various dishes. Vitamin D, this essential vitamin plays a crucial role in immune regulation. It also helps maintain strong and healthy bones. Your body produces vitamin D when your skin is exposed to sunlight, making it a unique vitamin. However, many people don't get enough. This could be due to a lack of sun exposure, especially during the winter months. Fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods are good sources. Including these foods in your diet can help bridge the gap in vitamin D. Zinc. This mineral is essential for the development and function of immune cells. Oysters, red meat, beans, and nuts are good sources. Zinc is also important for wound healing and protein synthesis. Probiotics. These beneficial bacteria live in your gut and play a vital role in immune health. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are good sources. By including these foods in your diet, you can support your immune system naturally and effectively. Lifestyle changes, your secret weapon for strong immunity. In addition to a healthy diet, certain lifestyle habits can significantly impact your immune system. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to manage stress such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Stay active. Engage in regular physical activity. Even moderate exercise can boost your immune system and improve your overall health. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Debunking immunity myths. Separating fact from fiction. In this section, we will explore some of the most common misconceptions about immunity and debunk them with science-backed facts. There are many myths and misconceptions surrounding immunity. Let's debunk a few. These myths can often lead to behaviors that are not beneficial to our health. Myth. You need to boost your immune system with supplements. Many people believe that taking supplements is essential for good immunity. Fact. While some supplements may support immune function, they are not necessary for everyone. A balanced diet is often sufficient. There is no magic pill for immunity. Supplements cannot replace a healthy lifestyle. The best way to boost your immune system is to adopt a healthy lifestyle that includes a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, stress management, and relaxation practices like meditation and enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining a strong immune system. Myth. Catching a cold boosts your immune system. Some people believe that getting sick can be beneficial for immunity. Fact. While it's true that your immune system responds when you get sick, it doesn't mean you should aim to get sick. Deliberately exposing yourself to illness is not a healthy way to boost immunity. It's better to prevent illness through public health measures and healthy lifestyle habits. Myth. Vaccines weaken your immune system. This myth is particularly harmful and can deter people from getting vaccinated. Fact. Vaccines actually strengthen your immune system by introducing weakened or inactive forms of viruses or bacteria. This allows your immune system to prepare to fight off these pathogens without getting seriously ill. This allows your body to develop immunity without having to experience the full-blown illness. Ultimately, understanding the truth about immunity can help us make more informed choices for our health. A lifetime of strong immunity. Your journey to wellness. Your immune system is a complex and remarkable defense system that plays a vital role in your overall health and well-being. By understanding the factors that can weaken your immunity and adopting healthy habits, you can empower your body to thrive. Remember that building a strong immune system is a lifelong journey, not a quick fix. By making gradual and sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can create a solid foundation for optimal immune function and a healthier, more resilient life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.